A coherent self is not created instantly. It emerges slowly through stabilized attention, structured emotion, clear direction, and reduced fragmentation. The goal is not perfection. The goal is internal coherence.
The fragmented self. Modern identity is often unstable because modern environments are unstable. Attention fragmented, emotion overstimulated, identity externally shaped, thought continuously interrupted. The self becomes psychologically divided, not because people are weak, but because coherence requires continuity. The modern individual often experiences life as disconnected internal pieces. Roles without integration, emotion without processing, information without depth, movement without direction.
What internal coherence really is. Coherence is not perfection, not constant happiness, not complete control. Coherence means alignment between attention, emotion, behavior, values, and awareness. A coherent mind stops fighting itself constantly. Reconstruction is slow. The nervous system adapts gradually. Attention stabilizes gradually. Identity reorganizes gradually. There is no instant transformation, only repeated reconstruction. Small structural changes, repeated consistently, begin reshaping consciousness itself. Because identity is partially environmental, and environments can be redesigned.
The return of direction. Fragmented minds struggle to sustain direction. Every distraction resets momentum. Every interruption weakens continuity. But when mental fragmentation decreases, direction strengthens naturally. The mind stops scattering itself across endless stimulation. Emotional stabilization. Overstimulated systems amplify emotional volatility. But coherence creates emotional regulation, not suppression. Stability. The individual becomes less reactive, less externally controlled, less psychologically chaotic. Internal structure changes emotional experience, because emotional instability is often intensified by cognitive instability. The new relationship with modern life. The reconstructed self still lives inside modern civilization. Technology still exists. Noise still exists. Algorithms still exist. But the relationship changes. The environment no longer fully controls the architecture of consciousness. Awareness becomes intentional again. the real transformation? Transformation is not becoming superhuman. It is becoming internally integrated, capable of depth, capable of silence, capable of sustained awareness, capable of psychological stability inside chaotic systems. The possibility of wholeness. Modern life fragments identity continuously, but fragmentation is not permanent. Coherence can be rebuilt slowly, deliberately, structurally, and over time, the self begins feeling whole again. The modern world continuously pulls the mind outward. Reconstruction begins when consciousness starts returning inward. And perhaps the rarest achievement of the modern era is becoming psychologically whole inside a civilization designed to fragment attention.